Are you having trouble with OSHA compliance? Have you been wondering where to go and what to do? GotSafety.com defends more California businesses from OSHA citations than any other organization in the state.
Have you received an intent to cite letter? No need to worry. GotSafety's OSHA Defense Program can help. And if citation has been issued, appealing that citation is the first thing we do.
Our safety compliance experts are consistently drafting, revising, and submitting successful appeals, which significantly improve your chances for a reduction or dismissal of citations.
We will also file a motion of discovery on your behalf, giving you access to all the reports, interviews, and evidence OSHA collected during their investigation.
My name is Michael Crawley. I'm president of GotSafety. Since 1990, we've been helping businesses comply with OSHA regulations and getting them out of trouble when they get cited by OSHA. If you have been cited, don't worry. We've helped thousands of businesses comply with this, saving businesses millions of dollars. Don't let OSHA run your life. Let us help you.